Are you wondering how you can change your birthday on TikTok or how to change your age date of birth also? Then if that is exactly what you're thinking about, then I'm gonna be teaching you that in this video tutorial. It's gonna be kind of practical, so you're gonna see how I'm gonna do it. So stick right there because I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so if you're wondering how you can change your date of birth, then you're welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick from Online with Maverick, and what I talk about here is majorly how to solve your social media problems, and majorly how you can make maximum use of your phone. So if you're the kind of person that use social media a lot and you have a mobile phone, then I suggest that you hit the red subscribe button so that you can be notified anytime I drop new and future tutorials, which is gonna help you out to make maximum use of your phone. Okay, so now to do this, what you need to do is to head over to your TikTok, and right there you tap on your profile icon. Okay, so once you tap on profile, right there you're gonna be on your profile just like this. Then the next thing for you to do is that normally before the TikTok update, if you tap on edit profile right there, you're gonna see age here, which you will be able to change your age. Okay, you're gonna see age right there below website, or I mean below username rather. You're gonna see age there, and you'll be able to edit your age and you just do all your editing. But now that everything is now, I don't know, but I think TikTok just decided to just change their policy. So now you cannot just directly change your age. You will need to take an extra step to show them that you are really serious and you are really smart about this. Okay, so they are not making it available for anyone anymore. They want you to take extra step for you to be able to change your age. Okay, and it is possible. All you just need to do is to tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner right there, and you tap on settings and privacy. Then after that you scroll down, down, not so much down though. Then you see the support area. You go to report a problem. Okay, so you have to report a problem to them that, okay, I'm gonna be needing your help with this. Okay, because this feature is not available anymore. Okay, so you wait for it to load. So now you're gonna see a lot of some problems here, but what you have to tap is this icon at the top right corner. So you tap on that and it's gonna load, and the next thing for you to do is to tap on another icon at the top left corner, I mean the top right corner again, and you report a problem. Okay, and you report a problem. Okay, so you just let them know that you want to change your age. Okay, so you can just type something like this. Okay, so right here you can see this template that what I just pasted. Okay, you can see, hello TikTok, I did a mistake while signing up for my TikTok account and it was nonchalant of me. Kindly please let me change my age. I can provide you with details you need to verify this is my account and that I am a real human. So because they might feel like maybe somebody hacked your account or whatever, so give them this this confidence that show them the confidence that you're the owner of the account, so that in case they want to verify you, they can easily verify you and they will get back to you and help you to change your age. Okay, so it's something they can do. So just report, and just all you have to do is just click on report a problem and you'll be able to change your age. So within 24 to 48 hours, just make sure that you are typing to them during business hours. Okay, if you type to them maybe um outside the business hours, you have to wait a long time before you get a reply. But if you if you report a problem during their business hours, then you will surely get a quick reply within 24 hours or after 48 hours. You will get a quick reply and you will be able to change your age. So they're just gonna send you the link. Okay, they send you a link or they help you to change it directly by themselves. Okay, so you just tell them the age you want and you will be good to go. So I hope this video has been very helpful. If you did, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button so that it can motivate me to keep creating more tutorials for you guys. And you can also get notified anytime I drop new video tutorials. You can do that by also clicking on the notification bell, and don't forget to also hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people. That way you like the video and YouTube will recommend this video to several other people who will be needing something just like this. And if you need any further tutorials on TikTok, then you can check out my channel. I have several other tutorials right there, which is going to help you and blow your mind. Take care of yourself, my friend, and I'll see you in some other video tutorials. Bye.